disappointing end to the game there. What are your thoughts overall?
I thought the game was up and down, really. They came out in the first half and were aggressive with their press. We didn't deal with it as well as we should have done. But when we did, we played through and scored our first goal after being 1-0 down. So, yeah, that was, I just felt it was an up and down game. Obviously disappointed with the result, extremely disappointed. After being 2-1 up and, losing the second half 2-0 and not getting any points.
I thought we did well after going 1-0 down to get back in, to go in the lead, especially Jeb. There was a few balls that he put through their defence.
Yeah, I think it woke us up. I think we started slow. Like I said, it caused us a few problems with the press, but once we were brave enough to actually play, on our first phase of passing the ball, we scored. So, and maybe you could have scored another couple, but I think it's just a question of not being too comfortable and then being comfortable during the game, which was the downside, really. And you can't be comfortable against any team in this league, and not expect it to happen. You have to go and make it happen. And even at 2-1, I thought we were obviously managing the game very well. They get a goal, and they're back in it, and their tails are up. So it's frustrating, but we go to the cup game next week.
It was a very physical game as well tonight.
Yeah, to be honest, I don't think it was managed well. There were a couple of questionable challenges, and just a bit of consistency was needed, I thought. There were a few things that we were naive about with regards to being fouled, but yeah, I don't think it was managed effectively.
Do you think obviously there was a big gap really between like first, second, third, and then the middle. Do you reckon that's been bridged with obviously Denbigh Town coming here
and teams improving?
Yeah, so
look, obviously there's a lot on offer this year, isn't there?
Yeah.
So with 3 going up, and it's your teams have planned for that in the summer. I'm not really fussed about them, to be honest. It's about what we do.
Yeah.
And that wasn't good enough tonight.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.